Swiper, no swiping. Swiper, no swiping. Oh no! Swiper took our element oxygen.
Wait, Dora, what are elements?
Elements are different types of substances, each with different properties. Each element has its own type of atom, and each element in the atoms has a different amount of electrons, neutrons, and protons. Elements make up molecules, which make up everything in the world.
What are atoms?
Atoms are the building blocks of matter. They're super duper tiny, and they combine to make molecules of matter.
Atoms and elements are very important. What are we going to do with the oxygen element?
We need to go after Swiper to get it back. What do we do when we don't know where to go? That's right, map. Where should we go first?
I'm the map. Let's head to the oxygen oasis.
Come on, Dominoes. Everybody, let's go. Come on, let's get to it.
They'll never find the oxygen here in the oxygen oasis.
I don't know. We should probably go to the lab and check it out.
Ma'am, can you show us the way to the lab?
I'm the map. Let's go to the lab.
Come on, Dominoes. Everybody, let's go. Come on, let's get to it. I know that we can do it.
Hi, Boots. What can I help you with?
Well, we found a substance, but we want to know what it is.
No worries, we can easily figure this out.
How?
It's easy. All you have to do is look at its physical and chemical properties.
What are those?
Physical properties are things that you can find out something by using their five senses. For example, I can tell Dora has a purple shirt, yellow boots, and brown hair. Chemical properties are things that you can only find out by chemically changing the substance, like heating it. For example, I can only know that Dora is adventurous by getting to know her.
Oh, now I get it.
Yay! Let's look at the physical properties. What can you use your five senses to know about the substance?
It's white.
It's powdery.
You can't see through it.
When you can't see through something, it's called opaque. These are the physical properties. Now let's look at the chemical properties. You can do the heat test by heating it on a hot plate and seeing if it changes its appearance. Nothing is happening. We know it is not sugar because it would melt. Now let's try the vinegar test. We'll put vinegar on it and see what happens.
Wow, it fits. That's amazing. But what is the substance?
Well, have you ever made a volcano that explodes?
Yeah, you mix baking soda and vinegar, and then it explodes.
Well, this is like that. The substance is baking soda.
Well, now we know what the substance is. But what is it made of?
The chemical formula is NaHCO3. That means in one molecule of baking soda, there's one atom of sodium, one atom of hydrogen, one atom of carbon, and 3 atoms of oxygen. That's what the 3 stands for.
What are molecules?
Molecules are made up of atoms chemically binding together. This means they are attached. There are millions of molecules in this little bit of baking soda.
Dr. Science, what's the difference between atoms and molecules?
Well, there are about 120 different types of atoms, but thousands of different molecules. Molecules are often made up of many elements, while atoms are only made up of one.
Wow, thanks, Dr. Science. That was really helpful.
Now we know that we are even closer to the oxygen oasis because baking soda has oxygen in it. Now let's get on with our adventure!
Follow me!
Come on, Dominoes. Everybody, let's go.
What kind of atom is this?
It's not an atom, it's a molecule. See, it has 3 different atoms in it. 2 hydrogen and 1 oxygen. Do you know how you would write that?
H2O, right?
Yeah, and do you know what that is?
What is it?
It's agua, water, something that we need to live.
And if it is oxygen in it, that means that we must almost reach the oxygen oasis. Yay!
Vámonos, amigos.
I need to guard the oxygen.
Dora, what molecule is this?
This is glucose, C6H12O6.
Why is it so big?
Well, molecules can be really big and complex, like this. Or they can be really small and simple, like O2.
Oxygen oasis, here we come!
You can see through it, but not clearly. It looks a little bit like ice. Boots, what are you doing?
I'm turning up the thermostat so it won't be so cold.
That's my oxygen.
Oxygen? But oxygen is a gas, and this is a solid.
But look, it's turning into a gas.
But a solid can't turn into a gas, can it?
Well, have you ever seen ice turn into water?
Yeah.
Have you ever seen steam come out of a pot while your parents are cooking?
Yeah.
Steam, ice, and water are all H2O. When the temperature increases in a molecule, the thermal energy increases in a molecule, making the molecules move more freely. When this happens, solids change to liquids and liquids change to gases. A solid has low thermal energy, causing the atoms to be closely packed together. This causes a solid to have a fixed shape and a fixed volume. Liquids have more thermal energy than solids, which causes their molecules to be less packed together. This causes them to have a fixed volume, and they take the shape of a container. Gases have the most thermal energy, which causes their atoms to move freely. Gases don't have a fixed volume or a fixed shape.
So then if you cool a gas down, it would become a liquid. And if you cool it down even further, it would become a solid.
That's right.
Yay!
Oh man, all my precious oxygen escaped.
Dora, we need to get to the cage.
Look, it's the oxygen element.
Dora, we need to get to the cage.
Look, it's the oxygen element. Thank you for saving me. Well, now we have our oxygen back.
And everything is okay.
Yay! Swiper, why did you steal the oxygen?
Well, oxygen is a lot of things in the world, so if I had oxygen, then I thought I could do so many things in this world.
But Swiper, we need oxygen. Air to breathe.
Water to drink. Where you don't need carbon.
Swiper, no!